Overparenting. How many people have had parents who are helicopter parents in your office trying to speak on behalf of their child and not really letting them get a word in edgewise and all of that stuff? Anyway, they looked at whether helicopter parenting is associated with poor outcomes after concussion. So they had 101 participants. Within 30 days of their concussion injury, they measured them on impact, symptom severity, the VOMS, and depression and anxiety stress scales for, this is the kids, right? Aged 14 to 24. And then the parents at the same time were provide a version of an overparenting questionnaire. And they were trying to see if the overparenting questionnaire resulted in higher levels of stress for the kids and recovery times. Recovery time was significantly correlated with overparenting, such that a higher overparenting score was related to a longer recovery for the child. Higher levels of overparenting was also associated with higher levels of endorsed child anxiety and stress. Conclusion: overparenting is associated with higher anxiety and stress post-injury and longer recovery times. Results collectively suggest overparenting may have a negative effect on child concussion recovery and overall well-being.